Hey, it's Triathlon Matt here, and today we're going to have a look at the deep section carbon wheels on my race bike here and the strange sound that's coming from them. So the wheel set we've got here is the Forward F4R full carbon clincher, and specifically the issue that we're interested in is the strange sound that comes from them rotating. If you check out this next clip, you should just about be able to hear the sound. It's a somewhat odd sound, and it's taken a little while to track it down. So hopefully you've got an understanding of the issue that I've experienced with the wheels. When they're rotating and you listen, you can hear this bizarre, almost echoey type sound from them. And it was driving me crazy. I was asking myself, is it something to do with the bearings? You pop the wheel off with all the bearings, the DT Swiss hubs don't seem to be an issue, they're real nice and smooth. So then look at like spoke tensions, all the things like that. All seems absolutely fine, so I couldn't understand where this strange noise was coming from and why it's happening. Then I happened to pop the wheels off again, and the culprit made itself clear, and it was slightly more straightforward than I was expecting, and it was also a lot more frustrating than I was expecting as well. And it's probably something to bear in mind if you're looking at getting a new wheel set and you're going to go for a deep section set of wheels. It's probably going to be worth asking your dealer about this particular issue that I've encountered, because as I say, I do find it a little bit frustrating, especially after I've bought the wheels and it didn't surface until a little while later. So let's check out the culprit. Now we've got the wheel off and the tyre and tube, we can now find out what was making the strange sound when the wheel was rotating. Just here we've got the valve entry point for the rim. If we rotate this round so it's upside down, when we check out, and there's our culprit. And here it is. There's the culprit for the strange sound that was occurring when the wheel was rotating. The deep section rim has actually let in some water when the bike's been cleaned, and that was sloshing around in there and moving to the edge of the rim as it was rotating, making that strange sound. I really don't clean the bike particularly aggressively. It will have a garden hose on it, yet certainly no pressure washers. So this is quite a frustrating scenario, given that extra water is going to get in there, that's extra rotating weight, and it also makes a weird noise. So as I say, if you are looking at getting a pair of deeper section rims, water ingress is probably going to be something worth checking out. So I hope this video has been useful for any of you looking at getting deeper section rims, and certainly if any of you have encountered this issue and you've got any tips on how to prevent it happening or resolving it, please do put a comment in. I'd love to hear your views on it, and as always, please do like and subscribe. Catch you next time.